Hello and welcome to what is my very first video with, and I can't believe I'm saying this, the GTC4 Lusso V12. First impressions, engine awesome. I do think the F12 and 812 would be quicker on the gear shifts and a little bit noisier because of race mode. I do get the impression this is slightly dulled down because it's more of a family car, but when you get the revs up, when you get those valves open, this engine just sounds like an absolute marvel, and I love it. Manual on the pedals, the only way to go. I just love the control you get from using the pedals, and yeah, gear shifts are pretty quick. You know, I'm used to a slower gear shift in my personal car. I have an F-Type Jag, and these are a lot quicker than that, but I do, like I said, do get the impression that with a F12 or 812 you would get much crisper gear changes, which, you know, they're the sort of things that you come to love about the Ferraris, and certainly in the V12 guides. I love the fact you can just dial it back, get into auto if you want, and you can just cruise. And this thing is so comfortable. We're in the UK, so naturally I've welded the bumpy road button on because these roads are pretty atrocious at the best of times. And it's just so compliant, so supple. I'm literally just about to go over a level crossing here, and smooth, absolutely smooth. They've nailed it in here. Interior is lovely. Loads of lovely carbon fibre on the driving zone, which I think is essential. We've got the passenger display, which is really, really good fun. The new updated one particularly has got loads more colour. It's a lot more vibrant. Really like that idea. Not sure I'm totally sold on these red seats, but the Daytona seat design, really, really like that. And again, lots of carbon fibre everywhere, to be honest. And it does look nice. Panoramic roof. Really like how much light is thrown into this cabin. Loads of room in the back. I'm 6'5", and I reckon I could get in the back seat happily and comfortably. We'll try a bit later on. If you're a Ferrari owner already, you'll be very familiar with the Manettino, and I love the fact you can literally dial it right down to frost, where throttle response is back right off, torque is back right off, and traction control is at its highest setting. But the ability just to dial it back up again into sport or even traction control off, giving you full torque, crisp gear changes, and just the most incredible sound, which I think we've all just come to love from Ferrari once those valves are open. Just marvellous. Never get bored of that noise. I'm so happy to have been in this car today. Today's been a really big day. I've wanted a V12 Ferrari for so long, and you know, yes, absolutely adore the F12. The 812 is 100% my dream, but to be given the keys to a V12 GTC4 Lusso for the day has really just scratched that itch for me. Hearing that sound of that engine is just really giving me goosebumps, and it is a phenomenal machine. You end up just playing a tune with this engine. The paddles are perfect for that. You know, you can just drop it down a few gears, and even if you don't need to, I find myself just changing gear unnecessarily just so I can hear that noise again. It's been an absolutely unforgettable day, and thank you for watching.